Hi everyone. Have you ever noticed the description field after registering an ONU or ONT in the OLT? Many people simply leave it blank or ignore it because they think it's not important. But in this video, I'll show you why this small field can save a lot of time during troubleshooting and customer support. Let's get started. After an ONU or ONT is successfully registered with the OLT, it appears in the ONU list, where the administrator can view information such as the ONU ID, serial number, online status, and optical power levels. In addition to these details,
every Gpon and Epon Olt
provides a description field. The description field allows the administrator to assign a meaningful name or note to an ONU, making it easier to identify. It does not affect the ONU's authentication, bandwidth, or internet service. It is used solely for identification and network management. For example, instead of identifying a customer by a serial number like
Gpon
00584 BDC, you can assign a description such as Ravindran Home or Navia Bakery. This enables engineers to quickly locate the correct ONU during troubleshooting, maintenance, or customer support. The description field is especially useful for cable TV operators who maintain an Excel sheet of each customer's RX and TX optical power readings. A meaningful description makes it easy to identify the correct ONU and compare the current signal with the recorded installation values. Although adding a description takes only a few seconds during ONU registration, it can save a significant amount of time during troubleshooting, maintenance, and customer support. That's why it is considered a best practice to assign a clear and meaningful description to every ONU or ONT. Now, let's see how to assign a description to a customer's ONU on an
Epon Olt.
Now I'm logging into an
Epon Olt.
Click on ONU configuration and then ONU list. Here, you can see the 5 customer ONUs connected to PON1. At the moment, we can only identify the ONUs using their MAC address, type, and a few other details. To assign a description, click on the config option. In the description field, enter the customer's name. For this demonstration, I'm using sample names, but in a real network, you should enter the name of the customer using that particular ONU. After entering the name, click Submit. Now I'll show you how to assign descriptions to the remaining customer ONUs. The same feature is also available on a
Gpon
OLT. Let's take a look. I'm now logging into a
Gpon
OLT. Click on ONU configuration and then ONU auth list. Here, I also have 5 customer ONUs. Click on detail info for the first ONU. In the first section, you'll find the description field. Enter the customer's name here and click Submit. I'll now assign descriptions to the remaining customer ONUs as well. As you can see, assigning a description takes only a few seconds, but it makes customer identification much easier during troubleshooting, maintenance, and day-to-day network management. Therefore, it is always a good practice to assign a clear and meaningful description to every customer, ONU or ONT, immediately after registration. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.